You hurt me, did several times.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm celebrating my 3rd anniversary, YouTube anniversary. I actually started YouTube in October 2016, 24th October 2016, and today is 24th October 2019. So 3 years of YouTube, and I'm at 116,000 followers. I'm hoping I'll post it today because I want to go somewhere. I'm hoping I'll be able to post it today on 24th of October. So the hair I have in this video is from Klaiyi. I will link it in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So actually my brother is the one who inspired me to start this YouTube channel. I was just buying clothes, like old clothes or ugly clothes, and redesigning them. But then my brother saw that in me, like he saw I could just redesign something from anything. YouTube was the best platform for me, you know, to share with you guys, because I was just making them for myself and using them myself. So he actually thought like doing this and sharing with you guys, it will help so many people. He actually forced me to start this channel, but you know, I was not a social media person. Like on Instagram I had like only maybe 400 followers. Right now I have 5,000 or 6,000, and he told me one day it will pay. He took me through on how to edit, how to, you know, post, how to monetize, the YouTube guidelines on how to make money on YouTube. But at first it was not even about making money, it was just about sharing with you guys how to recreate things. Actually, when I joined YouTube, I was not even thinking about money. But what happened is my brother told me like in future I might earn from YouTube. At first I didn't care about the subscribers because on Instagram I didn't have followers, so I knew I will not have followers. Like, I'm just sharing in case I help someone out there. So I happened to shoot that first video. I used my phone, and my brother used to have this stand. I'll show you the stand. I still have the stand, actually still have the stand. It's actually like a selfie stick, but it's a stand where you use it to hold your phone. I just used to put my phone right here like this. Ouch. Like this, and then of course, because of the portrait, YouTube portrait is supposed to be landscape, I just used to do like this. Okay, then I used to do it like this, and then boom, I record myself. And actually guys, I didn't care about to be honest, I didn't care about the quality. Just I didn't have that pressure, you know, of improving the quality, because at the moment I knew cameras were so expensive, and at the moment I couldn't afford the camera. But through YouTube and through you guys, I've managed to buy a camera. I've managed to buy so many things just because of YouTube. Guys, I'll advise you guys, if you want to start a YouTube channel, just start. Don't even like put so much pressure on yourself that you need a camera, you need, you know, a stand. Just start with whatever you have. Start with your phone, and what matters is the content. It's not even the quality. Okay, at the end of the day, most of the people will subscribe because of the quality as well, but then the content, because you'll also see like some people will have like the qualities of the videos, they are so good, like for their first video they will really invest on the camera, but then the content, like, it's what attracts so many people. My first YouTube video is on hair, how to style your braids. And the reason why I made that video is because it was trending at the moment on YouTube. Before I joined YouTube, most of the videos I used to watch was just on hair, how to style your hair, like most of the videos were just on hair. So the first video I posted, it was on hair because that was what was trending on YouTube. So my brother told me like I just have to be, I don't have to copy what other people do. I just have to be myself and do what I love and share with you guys what I think I'm good at. That video right now, it is at 700 views, 700 only. We started doing DIYs, and I did the DIYs because they are my passion. Like hair, it was not really my passion, but DIYs were my passion, and just recreating new things. I remember guys, when I got to 60 subscribers, I was so excited, like 60, because I was wondering like, who are these people who have subscribed to my channel? Who are these people watching my channel? Who are these people enjoying, you know, my content? I really didn't ask people to subscribe. I was kind of scared. Of course, my family members subscribed, and then after some time, you know, it's no longer family members. Now new people are coming and subscribing to your channel. So there's a video I made on, it was like my 10th video. It was in December of 2016, and that video was on how to make butt lifter. Yeah, and the reason why I made that video is because I went on Instagram and I saw the butt lifters, like they were trending, they were all over, and people were selling those butt lifters at $40, $50, $60. I saw that like they were really expensive, especially for someone who is a student or someone who can't afford $40 on just a shapewear. So what happened, I had these shorts and they were very strong, the material was strong. So from that short I managed to make a butt lifter. It worked like a butt lifter. Like it really worked like a butt lifter, and I was so impressed. Guys, so I decided to share with you that video. And from that video, like that video trend, it was my own idea. It's not an idea that you copy from someone, or you know, you're trying to be someone else. It was just my idea. So from that video I managed to get followers, I managed to get subscribers, I managed to get views. You know, there's this part where you check your analytics, you check your, you know, your revenue, what you've earned from, you know, from the video. So from that video I actually went and checked and actually realized that like the revenue was actually increasing. And when I started a YouTube channel, it's not like right now when you're an upcoming YouTuber, you must have 4,000 watched hours, you must have 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. But then at that time there was nothing like that. Like when you join YouTube, you start earning, like you start the ads start running on your videos. So I had the advantage as well, so it actually encouraged me as well to continue with the posting. From that video I realized like this is my own content, this is my own idea, and from the idea I've managed to gain subscribers, I've managed to, you know, to earn some money. It's like I'm not going to be someone else. I'm not, because first of all, the main reason why I joined YouTube is because I had the ideas, I had my own ideas. So I'm not going to share the content for like try to copy someone. I was so excited when I got to 60 subscribers, 400 subscribers, 300 subscribers, and 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, like I was not even having that pressure of getting subscribers. But then when I saw like people are subscribing, that's when I started like, oh yeah, I really need to get subscribers. So I started sharing my videos. I actually started sharing the links on Facebook, on Instagram, and on WhatsApp. Yeah, on WhatsApp. From sharing the links, some I got positive feedback, and then some people are like, Sharon, you're crazy, like what are you doing on YouTube? And then I felt like some people were judging me, like then I stopped sharing the link. And then because I didn't want like some of my friends to judge me, and then, you know guys, like you're just you're an upcoming YouTuber, you're just uploading your video, you're innocent. So and then because the video is trending, of course you're going to get so many hate comments. Some I used to delete them. When I used to read the hate comments, sometimes I used to feel bad and like, oh, should I just delete this video? Should I do what? Because, you know, you're just starting your YouTube channel, you're trying to grow it, and then some people are hating. So, you know, and then some people, even some of your friends are asking you, what are you sharing on YouTube? Like, what is that? But then the positive comments were so many compared to the negative comments. The likes were so many, dislikes were not that much. And then I decided, like, if 80% like the video and then the 20% hate the video, or if 90% like the video and 10% hate the video, then I will go with the 90%. Yeah, I actually received my first paycheck in March, and I was so excited, guys, because it was actually accumulative for, you know, from October, December, January, February. So like, you know, when you get that, you really know it is possible, like this can be your career. Still after that I didn't put so much pressure on myself on buying the camera. I just decided to change the phone. But then after changing the phone, like the quality was just not that good, because personally I used to think using a camera will be so hectic, because I used to see some of YouTube vloggers, like they used to carry the camera and walk with it and do what. So for me, I used to think like camera can be so hectic. I just used to prefer using my phone, or just upgrade the phone and using it. But then that I realized right now, like I should just have bought the camera like long time ago, because I actually bought this camera just some few months ago. Even if you have like a phone with a good camera, sometimes the quality won't just be the same as, you know, for the camera. Sometimes it's not even about the quality of the video, it's also about the content. Like some people watch or subscribe because of the content as well. So if you're an upcoming YouTuber, if you want to own a YouTube channel, don't even put so much pressure on yourself, you know, on buying the cameras, you know, and the lights and all that. Don't even push pressure on yourself, just choose whatever you have. I decided to invest on a camera, and I bought this camera right here. This is the first camera I bought. Actually, I've never used this camera. I just took like maybe photos, some few photos, and the quality is not good. Like, I even prefer using a phone. The guy who sold me this camera, he told me the camera is good for YouTube. He told me the qualities are good. When I was there, I actually tried recording it and I saw it was good. But then when you put it on a laptop or on your phone, the videos are not of good quality. They're just the same, even worse than the phone one. Of course it's not selfie. Like this camera right here, it is selfie. I can just flip it and see myself recording when I'm recording. But with this one, I have to put it like this, you know, when I'm recording like this, so I can't even see myself. It doesn't help at all. Like, it's just like, you know, it will come a time where you get sponsors, you'll get so many collaborations, and you will make more money from it. So guys, don't put so much pressure on yourself. Just be yourself and do what you love. I'll tell you also, don't give up. If you want to do YouTube, if you want it to be full-time, if you want it to be one of your sources of income, just don't give up like my brother did. Because my brother, actually, remember guys, my brother is the one who advised me and he encouraged me to start YouTube channel. But then right now he has 1K subscribers. That is because he's not just consistent. Now I'm at 100K, he's at 1K, and is the one who encouraged me to do it. He didn't post for like a year or months. Don't do it because someone else is doing. Don't do it because you want to get paid yet. Just do it as a passion, or do it knowing maybe one day you'll get paid, but not anytime soon if you're really starting a YouTube channel. There's this YouTuber. I actually used to go and watch her videos. The lady used to encourage me because her videos were not that good, but she had like 500 subscribers, 600 subscribers. So but then there was a time I went to, you know, to just look at her YouTube channel, and I realized she actually deleted some of the videos, because I remember I used to look up to her. Like, she started YouTube before me, but right now when I go to her channel, she started like YouTube some months after I joined YouTube, and that is what I think you should not do. Just don't delete the videos. Yeah, at least it reminds you of where you're coming from. So guys, I just want to thank you for being with me, for supporting me this 3 years of YouTube, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Like, when you go to analytics, it tells me if people are sharing my videos, and yes guys, you are sharing my videos. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, that was it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos, even though the qualities were not good. You just subscribed, you watched. Like, you guys, thank you so much. Now I have a beautiful camera. That was it for this video. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video.
I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.